Good afternoon, everyone. We're here to present about literary theory. What is meant by literary theory? A set of ideas used to analyze, interpret literature, help readers understand deeper meaning and social meaning. So literary theory is a way of analyzing and interpreting stories, poems, and novels. It allows us to look beyond the surface and understand hidden meaning, themes, and social issues presented in the text.
What are literary theories? First is formalism. This theory looks at the story, poem, or novel floating without thinking about the author or history. It studies things like symbolism, imagery, and how the text is written to find the meaning. Next is reader response. This theory says that the meaning of a text depends on the readers may understand a story differently because of their own experience and feeling.
Marxist criticism, focus on class and inequality. Marxist criticism looks at how rich and poor, or powerful and powerless, are treated in a story. It shows how social and economic differences affect people's lives. More is feminist criticism. Focus on gender equality. Feminist criticism studies how women and men are treated in a story. It points out unfair treatment of women and shows how gender rules affect characters and society. Focuses on psychology and emotions. This theory studies the character's thoughts, feelings, and unconscious mind. It looks at how trauma, fear, or desire affect their behavior and emotions.
Next is the historical, focuses on author and time period. So this theory looks at the author's life and the historical background when the story was written. It helps to explain why certain events, characters, or the ideas are in the story. Post-colonial focuses on colonization and appreciation. Post-colonial criticism studies stories about countries or people that were colonized. It shows how colonization, racism, and oppression affects the culture, identity, and society.
Works that features literary theories, slavery, inequality, and abuse. So the story that we chose is Uncle Tom's Cabin. Written by Harriet Beecher Stowe. Theory used Marxist criticism. The line there is, "He is your property." The line "He is your property" shows how enslaved people were treated as objects owned by the upper class. This reflects economic power and class control, which is the focus of Marxist criticism. Inequality. The title is The Hunger Games, written by Suzanne College. The theory used Marxist criticism. The line there is the capital dictates how we live our lives. The line "the capital dictates how we live our lives" shows control of the ruling class over the poor districts. This represents inequality between social classes. Abuse. The title is A Child Called It, written by Jay Goldberg. Theory used psychoanalytic criticism. The line there was, "I was no longer a member of the family." The line "I was no longer a member of the family" shows emotional rejection which affects the child's sense of identity.
So the conclusions are literary theory helps us understand the deeper meaning and literature reflect real life social issues. It helps us to become aware of the